Hey there, streaming enthusiasts. If you're looking to take your entertainment to the next level, then you've come to the right place. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the Roku Premier HD 4K HDR streaming media player. With this powerful device, you can watch what you love with a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV, including Roku originals and 200 free live TV channels on the Roku channel. Whether you're streaming in HD, 4K, or HDR, you'll enjoy incredible picture quality that's optimized for your TV with sharp resolution and vivid color. Not only that, but you'll have tons of power and tons of fun packed into a compact design. You can easily stream your favorite movies and series on HBO Max, Netflix, Disney, and Prime Video, all with the included premium high-speed HDMI cable. The setup is a cinch. Simply plug it in, connect to the internet, and start streaming. And with the simple remote that comes with shortcut buttons to popular streaming channels, you'll be up and running in no time. Plus, with automatic software updates, you'll always be up to date with the latest features and newest channels. And for even more convenience, you can control your Roku device with the free Roku mobile app, enjoy private listening with wireless headphones, and even use popular voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. But that's not all. You can effortlessly share videos, photos, music, and more from your Apple devices to your TV with Apple AirPlay. So, if you're ready to upgrade your streaming experience and enjoy all the amazing features that the Roku Premier has to offer, then be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible streaming media player. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more reviews, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Happy streaming!